Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the Bluetooth and devices. Here you'll see the NFC switcher, it's turned off. Now just to activate NFC you should click here only once on the switcher. Also we can do it by the second way, just by click here on the NFC section and here activate the switcher. And by this way we can see now that the NFC is activated, because here we have the NFC icon right now on the right upper corner near the battery icon. Also we can switch the contactless payment. Here we have the default payment, the Google Pay. Well, also we can pay with the SIM card here, or also we can use so when another payment app is open, or just open always we can switch it. And by this way we can activate the NFC. Just to turn it off, by the same way click here once again on the NFC switcher, and as can you see it's just turned off. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, shortcuts, and here you'll just find the NFC icon somewhere. As can you see, in my case it's here. Now just click here once on this icon, and by this way you can see here that the NFC is activated. And just to turn it off, click here once again on the NFC icon. But if you want to just launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and now we can see that we just launched the Bluetooth and device section, and here we can also just open the NFC settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.